Hey everyone, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Really quick one here from Uber. This is ticker UBER. The Uber ride is still going. I just want to bring this to your attention. If you are in cash right now looking for a chart that I think is actionable, I think Uber's trending just beautifully. You can see this clear downward sloping trend line that I drew out here today. Broke above slightly on a slight pickup in volume, not really higher than average, but it's in trend and it's just kind of grinding higher. And so I definitely like this Uber chart as a place for an actionable idea. If I zoom out here, you can see that this is close to all-time highs. And so that means you really want to look at psychological levels of resistance. And so we're at 79 bucks right now. So I think 80 bucks is probably resistance, and then up to here around 81 and then 82. So I would just use those round dollar numbers as potential levels of resistance on the upside. But as long as the market holds up, I could see this just continuing to grind higher leading up to their next earning report coming up in May. So Uber, a steady Eddie trade that's just trending beautifully. And as long as it can hold above that 8-day exponential period moving average, or even the 21-day, if you have a nice cushion, I definitely think this is a stock you want to be long. So that's just one of many ideas that are working right now in this market and that we're talking about at StockMarketMentor.com. If you like this video, then you'll definitely like the premium stuff we give members. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you at StockMarketMentor.com.